Ano na? Critical 5 pa.
Hey mga idol, mga master, dito ulit tayo sa midget division, no? At magsisimulan na tayo sa midget division sa championship. Yan, good luck sa inyo lahat. Good luck sa kung sino man sa inyo.
Wala kang pake. Number 6, Cailo. Number 4, De Los Santos, Pilay. Number 2, Mercader. Number 27, Bicada. And number 28, Saniba. And the blue team, number 8, Mabana. Number 29, Navarro. Number 6, Morello. Number 13, Pelti. Bigusman, number 1. Ralphed lang yan, ralphed lang ha. Boxing na boxing. Then. No good, ribbon ni number 8. Number 8. Nakawala, bumagka. 2 points by number 8. Number 2. Pass to number 27. Pulika, kuha ni number 6. Tumira, 2 points. Number 8, Maban. Ditribo. Tumira, wala ribbon ni number 8 pa rin. Out of bounds. Black ball. Number 2. Foul. It's foul by number 13. Number 13, first personal foul, first team foul. Leo, baliktad ka na lang ng jersey mo.
Ako na lang, bahala kayo.
Team black takin. Team green takaw ko, kayo magtakakan mo takin. Team green. Yun. No good. 2 points by number 6. Number 13, Tumira. 2 points by kuha ni number. Jump ball, black ball. Paalala sa mga player, pag sasab kayo, lapit kayo dito. Ang kukulit nyo. Number 13. Oh. Number 29. Tumira wala rin ni number. Green ball. Number 29. Pass to number 13. Tumira 3. No good. Number foul. Number 1 and number 2. Number 29. Traveling violation. Number 6. Number 6. Foul. Foul by number 29. Number 29. Third personal foul. Substitution. Second team foul.
Up.
Basket. Out of bounds, black ball. Number 6. No good. Rebound number 6. One number 29. Hooligan. One number 6. Foul is valid. Foul by number 6. Number 6, third personal foul. Third. Team foul. First throw ready. Wala pa pala.
Time out to.
First throw basket. Tama! Throw. No good. Rebound number 6. Number 6. 7 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound number 13. Number 13. 7 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 13. Number 2. No good. Rebound number 6. Pass number 13. Traveling violation. Number 2. Pumele. Kanya pa rin. Pinasa kay number 28. Umikot. Ang paningin. Foul by number 29. Number 29. Warning for graduate. Warning for penalty. Ang mga sasab dito sa lamesa. Sa harap ng lamesa. No good. Points by number 6. Number 8. Pito na lang po alamangan ng green. Number 8, 2 points. Number 6. Warning for delaying the game. Number 6. Basket. Number 1. Warning for graduate ka na din. Straw. Dito na lang, ulit. Basket. Number 8. No good rebound number 1. No good rebound number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 27, 2 points. By number 27, number 13. Tumira ng 3. No good rebound number 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Still in number 13. Number 13, no good rebound number 6. Pass to number 27. Traveling violation. 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Apat na lang. 4. Number 8. Number 8. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 2 points by number 8. Number 6. 2 points by number 6. Number 1. Number 1 pass to number 8. Tumiro ng 3. Number 8. 3 points. Number 2. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot na lang. 8. No good. Rebound number 1. Number 1 pass to number 8. Number 8. Tumiro ng 3. No good. Rebound number. Number 8 pa rin. Pass to number 13. No good. Number 8. 2 points. Number 2. Pass to number 27. 2 points. Oh, warning for delay the game. Parehas na kayo ha. Bit nyo ha. Number 8. Number 8.
Warning na.
Number 8. 8 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 8. Number 2. Still number 13. Number 8 pa rin. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. No good. Rebound ni number 6. Number 6. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin rebound ni number 27. 2 points by number 6. Number 8. Number 1. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 8. 6 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng 3. No good. Time remaining. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 37. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Bumangga. Tumira no good. Rebound number 2. Number 2. Number 6. Tumira ng 3. Wala ka rin. Rebound number 1. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8.
Katlak.
Number 8. Nakawala. 2 points by number 8. Number 27. Tumira 2 points by number 27. Number 8. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 8 pass to number 13. No good. Pass to number 8. No good pa rin rebound ni number Jack. Anong tawag? Pow! Was by number 1. Number 1. Graduate! Power! No good. Rebound ni number 6. 2 points by number 6. Number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 8. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound ni number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 6. Ganda basa ng 2 points. Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan ng green. Number 13. Number 13. Tumira ng 3. Wala rebound ni number 8. Paulus para by number 2. Number 2. Warning for graduate ka na din. Substitution rep. Third team ball pa lang. Basket. Last throw ready, jumpers. No good. Rebound niya pa rin. 5 na lang ang lamang. Number 8. Number 8. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. Still. Number 6. 2 points by number 6. Tatlo na lang. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Pinasa kay number 27. Pasa number 6. 2 points by number 6. Isa na lang po. Isa na lang. Tumira. 2 points by number 8. Number 27. Number 27. Pasa number 28. Pasa number 6. No good. Rebound ni number 13. Pasa number 8. Number 8. Pasa number 13. Hula! Number 13 pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 8. Number 6. Number 6. Binabot na ni number 6. Foul. Foul by number 6. Number 6. Warning for graduate ka na rin. Time out!
Ngalog doon ang ano.
Isa pa!
Last throw on the jumpers. No good. Dribbling number 28. Pass to number 6. 2 points by number 6. Dalawa na lang. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Foul by number 28. Number 28. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 13. Tumiro ng 3. Tapos. Si Imaw Nabuhayan. Number 6. Tumira ng 3. Wala rin ba ni number 13. Kanina wala?
Jump ball.
Black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Black ball. Blind spot. Number 6. Number 6. Bumagka. No good. Dribbling number 28. No good. Number 27. Lumayat. 2 points. Ayun na po. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. No good. Dribbling number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 6. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 6. No good. Dribbling number 8. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Hooligan. Number 27. 2 points. Number 30. Number 30. Foul. Mushalat. Foul by number 27. Number 27. Warning for third personal foul. Penalty. Oras. Tignan nyo. Score 80-80. Lamang yung 82. Basket. Last one on the jumpers. No good. Dribbling number 6. Number 6. 3 minutes exactly. Number 6. Number 6. 2 points.
Wala pa.
Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Maganda ba sa atin? Number 28. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 6. Tumira ng 3. Number 6. Number 8. Kabawa number 3 pa ni number 13. Umikot. Foul. Who's power? Power. Time out. Green team. Apat ka na. Hoy, time out nyo. Lapit nyo dito sa lamesa. Sino kami lalapit? First row. Two minutes and 28 seconds. Last throw. No good. Dribbling number 27. Pass to number 8. And 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Foul basket. Scorer foul number 6. Number 6. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Dan, pass mo!
Bonus throw.
93-87.
No good. Dribbling number 6. Pass to number 2. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. No good. Dribbling number 1. Number 8. Number 8. Tumira. No good. Dribbling number 27. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 6. 2 points by number 6. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. 4 seconds to shoot. 3, 2. Good shot. Green ball. Up.
Dito bola, dito bola.
Black ball. Shot clock violation. Mango. Green ball. One minute and 28 seconds. Number 8. Number 8. Number 1. Number 2. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Foul. This foul committed by number 13. Number 13, third personal foul, penalty. Penalty. Both teams, penalty na po. No good. No good. Green ball na ba rin? Number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 6. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 6. Exactly 1 minute. 58 seconds. Turn it up. 2 points na 2 points. Number 2. Third. Jump ball. Green ball. Green ball. Green ball. 49 seconds. 49 seconds. 46 seconds. Foul. Foul by number 6. Number 6. Fourth personal foul.
Hook.
Matuwal lang. Nakakain ng lumok ko. Basket. Po. 45 seconds po. Ano yung pala ko na tanong ulit? No good. Rebound ni number 2. 41 seconds. 38 seconds.
Travel.
Traveling violation. 5 lang. 5 lang. Number 13, pass to number 8. Number 8. Umatake. No good. Rebound ni number 13. Bumangka. Number 13. 28 seconds. 2 points by number 13. 20 more seconds. 22 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 6. 13 seconds. 3 points. Number 6. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. 2, 1. Good job. Hoy, teka lang, isa-isa na ako sabi namin, ang dami nyo. Pumili kayo dito sa gitna. Hoy, alas! Ganyan! Referee lang. Referee lang kung nag-usap. Dito. Dito.
Pops.
Init.
Nabago yun. Hindi, nabago, Pops.
Kalma muna tayo, kalma muna.
Puso. Kinakabit yung ano sa buzzer sa ano. Masakay kasi.
Oo.
Ayaw. Wala na, patay na sa akin.
Good na. Odi tayo mga kapatid. At number 6, tumatay na sa dito siguro. Mawala dito ang bola ngayon dito. With a spinning move right there. Hindi pa rin mga kuwanino. Out of bounds. Black ball. 4 minutes and 50 seconds, Number 6. Pumukol. Pero, ay lang pala yung pinasa kay number 8. Sa kalaban pala mapupunta. 2 balls by number 8. David. Nakuha pa ng number 27. Number 27 yung pa. 2 balls by number 27. Number 8. Dribble the ball. Ba't parang kayo kinakabahan? Ano na? 2 latres. 2 balls. Number 6. Dribble the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 latres. Good. Wow! Malinis na yan, malinis na yan. 2 balls by number 6, number 8. Give the ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Tumatake with the bump right there. 2 balls by number 8. Hop. Oh, kaya na kunin ang bola. 4 minutes and 3 seconds left. Number 27, pass. Okay, number 6. Give the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Humarapas na. Uy, ginawa ko kapatid. Kaya number 6 pa tayo. Oh, 2 points. Ano ka nagalag mo? Number 8, give the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2 balls by number 8. Uy, ano yun? Number 27, give the ball. Number 6, tumatake. Oh, nakuha. Nino, may 30. 2 points by Sayo. Uy, number 27. 10 seconds to shoot. Give the ball. What? Number 8. Number 8.
Shot time out.
Time out. Green team. Number 8. Number 8. Atake ba? 10 seconds to shoot. Umatake na. Nawawala ang bola. Sino makakuha? Sino? Number 87. Naging rebound. Guy. Bucky. Lalabasan tayo. Umatake ulit. Niliba na. Gagay. Rebound na number 6. Number 6. For the 3 minutes exactly. Number. Sino yan? Oy! Sino makakuha? Kay number. Number 28. With the back right there. Naging makakuha nila. Number 28 pa rin. 2 balls by number 28. 20. Number 13. Wala ko ng oras. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 13. They're good. Rebound by number 28. Number 28. Iyak ang bola. Mahal na mahal. Ano na? Number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. For the 3. Number 6. Malawit. No good. Rebound by the way. Number 6. Give the ball. Number 6. Sino ba na foul? Number 6. Number 6 po. Number 6. Grabe! Kung tama ka ng grade ko pa lang, graduate ko lang. Nakakas mo Oras natin, 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Number 6.
Meron pa, tatlo pa.
First round basket. Hinitian mo ko ng team. Ang yabang mo. Last row. Okay. Meron pa isa. Kasi 3 points yun eh. Diba? Last row. Grabe nito. Namumuro ka na. Number 29. Sumisipag. Logo, dribble ba? Number 28. Ang taas. Ng mga uy. Grabe yun. Binaya pa talikod. Number 63. Logo, dribble by. Number 29. Number 29. Tumatake na. Logo, dribble by. Number 30. Logo, balik ka na palin. Uy. 2 points. Basket. Foul. By number 27. Substitution ref. Number 27, Warning. Ilan pa daw time mo? Tigisan time mo po. Last two. No good. Number 2. Lalabas ang tayo. 1 minute and 47 seconds. Random ako ni Boys Squad. Number 6, mga 2 points. Well done. Okay. Number 13. Haharabas na. With the spinning move right there. Power basket. Who's power? By number 2. Number 2. Graduate na yun. Mag-play na ang trabaho. Oras natin. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Bonus throw. Ayan na. Number 27. Gumagamit ng oras. Binalik ka number 27. Tumatake na. Pinasa ka number 28. Nakahanap down yun. Number 28, 3 points. Number 13. Pakatake na. Wow! Grabe yun na nag-move. Foul. Is correct? Number 6 foul. Number 6. Warning for graduate. Oras natin, 1 minute and 21 seconds. Green team. No go down by. Oy, number 13. No go down by. Number 27. Number 27. Magamit ng oras. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 28. 2 balls. Number 28. Last 1 minute. No good. Rebound by. Number 13. 2 balls. Number 13. 55 seconds left. Number 6. Dribble the ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Pinasa ka number 6 ulit. 5, 4, 3, 2. No good. 42 seconds left. Sino na yung bola? Oy, number 13. 2 balls by number 13. 36 seconds left. Number 6, dribble the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumatake na. 2 points. Number 28. Ay, number 13. 25 seconds left. No good. Given by number 20 pa din. 20 seconds left. 2 points. To number 13. 15 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5! Hindi na tapos! Hindi na tapos! 2 seconds pa po! 2 seconds pa po! Who's my rep? Who's my rep po? Number 29! Number 29? Graduate!